Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name's Adam. Welcome back to the channel, Kaputy Inc. Today we have a very exciting specimen for you. We have a cold start, will it start, first start, will it run away video. So exciting, so exciting. 855 Big Cam Cummins. We just did an in-frame overhaul on it, and this is literally the first time we're going to try and start it. So bear with us when we realize the batteries aren't charged enough or the truck's stuck in gear, whatever. Let's get kicking. Hit it! A little turbski spinning here. That's a win so far. Keep it posted. Alright, you saw the first fire up. That went really well. Now we got everything else back on the engine. We did have one water leak. I fucked up and got a rubber O-ring for the water manifold out of place. When I was trying to get it all together, I must have knocked it off or whatever, and you can't see it until it's leaking. So we got that all fixed. It's holding all its fluid. So we're going to do another fire up and bring it outside. Got to let it idle for a little bit and make sure we don't have any leaks. Take her for a pass down the road. Check that out. No smoke, which is awesome, because anybody who knows this truck knows there was never a mosquito within a 10-mile radius of it. It used to smoke like a motherfucker. But now, we're obviously not. We're up to temperature. I just took it on its official maiden voyage. So we got done putting it together Saturday. Today is Monday. We got done putting it all together Saturday. We did a fire up, which was the first fire up in the video. Then we fired it up again after we got all our coolant in. We already had engine oil in it, obviously. We're not that stupid, but got all our fluids in it, made sure it was watertight. which it wasn't. We fixed that. We ended up having a gasket off, which was my fault. Then we took it for, normally when we get done with a car project, we like to do a no hood pass, but I wasn't taking the hood off for this thing for that, so we did a no doghouse pass. Loud as shit. Wouldn't advise it, but it turned out all right. We got to monitor, make sure there weren't any major leaks on the engine, so I guess stupidity, genius. Tell me which one it is in the comments. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm pretty jazzed about it. The truck's running. I'm sure you can hear it in the background. If not, I know the audio sucks on these videos a lot of times. Working on it. Yeah, pretty jazzed up. So like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.